Good morning, beautiful morning to each and every one of you hearing the sound of my voice. Welcome to the Alpha Wolf channel, the channel I talk about to make money online trading and various stuff that can improve you and make you a better version of yourself. Today is the 1st of December. What a privilege to be alive. I'm so happy. I'm so pumped. The year is finally coming to an end. Today's video is going to be one of those videos that you will watch and you will be grateful for. Like, I want to teach you literally how you can make crazy amount of money trading futures without any knowledge, right? Now, one thing I train people, or I strongly advise people to always do, is please make sure you have knowledge of technical analysis yourself, your ability to read the market and be able to take trades and all. But the honest truth is it takes a period for you to become a profitable trader. So if you are the kind of person that you want to trade, you want to run futures trade, but you don't have technical analysis method, you don't have technical analysis knowledge, this particular video is going to help you to start making good profitable amount from the market. But however, I would strongly advise you to make sure you invest what you can afford to lose. Do not put all your life savings to trade futures without wasting much of your time. Let me tell you how we are going to do this. Now, you'll be getting free signals step by step following this my method. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to check the link in my description. I'm going to put a link to an exchange platform that some of you might be on. It's not Binance, it is Bybit, right? Now, take the link in my description, create your Bybit account so that you can have a Bybit account. So you can basically check the link in my description for you to create your Bybit account. If you use the link to create your Bybit account, you are going to get some bonus signing up on Bybit, right? If you don't want to use the link, you can go on Google Play Store to download the app. Then I'm going to put a referral code. When you're filling your stuff and they ask you for referral, just put that referral code. You're going to get as much as $5 to $10 as a new person creating an account on Bybit. That being said, when you create your Bybit account, what you're going to do is you're going to copy trade from the best traders on the platform, and this is totally free. Now I'm going to be showing you how you can sort out these people and copy trade the guys that are really good and begin to make profit whenever they make profit. This is a strategy. What you're going to do is you'll be using their trading entry and exit and all, and you end up making the same profit they are making. So if you come to the Bybit app, you need to do your verification process. You need to make sure you do your verification, your address and stuff, so that you'll be able to trade. When you have done those verification process, that is out of it, you're going to look at the screen, the home screen. You're going to click on copy trade. That is where you click on. When you come to copy trading on Bybit, you're going to see futures on the top, copy trading leaderboard, join as a trader, all master traders, blah 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 blah. You can choose to join the copy trading leaderboard, but I advise you that there's no need for that. Alright guys, so when you come to the futures platform and you see the people that are trading, you're going to see a lot of traders, they're profitable traders, blah blah blah. Do not allow a lot of things confuse you, because we have different kinds of traders on this platform. There are some that are swing traders, there are some that are intraday trader. Intraday trader are simply traders that trade during the day in different hours, like 15 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 hour, like that. Within the day they've taken their trades and all. So you're going to scroll. You're going to scroll here. Do not look at these traders with the highest profit for followers. Leave that. Come to the traders that are the top intraday traders. Now you can see different traders. You see their 7 days trades, the number of trades they've taken. Then you look at their win rate, their win ratio. You are going to check their return on investment, blah blah blah. So for example, you can see the first person here is Nick Bard. Nick Bard has 98 followers. His 7 days trade, he has taken 202 trades. His 7 days return on investment profit is 328%, and his win ratio is 90%, which means 90% of the time his trades are always going on point, right? Now you can go on and check, but for me, you can look at this person. This person has taken 62 trades, 100% win ratio, and his return on investment is 183. Look for the guys that have number 1, high number of trades, number 2, high number of win ratio. If the win rate is 80% and above or 70% and above, that is very very good for you. And you look at the return on investment. What is the percentage the person is getting back after putting his capital? So this guy, if he puts $100, it means at the end of the day he's getting over $300 plus as profit minus his capital, right? So with that, you can know that this person is a profitable trader. All you now need to do is you can copy the person's trade. Now some people want to click on copy, so when you copy whatever the person does, you enter the trade, is going to be taking 10% of your profit. I don't do that. There is another method you can also use. That is what I'll be teaching you. You can choose to copy if you want to, but you're going to click on this particular trader, right? When you click on the trader, he's going to open his profile on Bybit. When you look at his profile on Bybit, you're going to see his total asset, the profit sharing ratio, blah blah blah. Like this particular guy can only have 100 followers at a time. He has 98, so you might come here and his followers are already filled up 100, which means you cannot join. But the thing is, you need to look at his instructions and all. He said do not use stop loss, that is the max X25 leverage, right? And blah 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 blah. So the point is, you need to be very careful when you want to copy trade, but this is what I will advise you to do. When you come to his profile, you see the overview, current open positions, past copied, whatever. You're going to see his stats here. Look at the guy's stats, how profitable he is the last 7 days. In the last 1 2 3 4 5 6 last 6 weeks, it is only 1 week that he did not do well. Every other week has been crazy and profitable, and this week is even smashing it already. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on current open positions, which means what trade is it taking at the moment, current open positions. For example, now you can see that it's trading Matic. Entry price, this is the entry price 0.9170, and you know the margin is there, the quantity 444 Matic. Then the stop loss, the take profit is there, but the stop loss is not there. So the take profit is, he wants to take profit at $1, but he's not using stop loss at the moment. I'll advise you, for you to trade, he's using 15 leverage. You can reduce your leverage, maybe you can use X5, you know, or X10. Then try to look at the chart and put a stop loss where you know you would, so that if the trade goes against you, you would not lose money. But some people are very confident traders, and they can even be overconfident at times. They're sure that their trade is going to enter, so they will end up not using stop loss, so that regardless of where the market moves to, they will still get their profit. But I will advise you, if you are using a small account, figure out a place to put your stop loss, right? If you look at all the trade he has taken today already, Matic, Ethereum, Matic, blah blah blah, majority of those trades, you can see they are just new entries, and for now they are not going his direction. But one thing I can guarantee you is that by the end of the day, before he closes his trade, they are all going to go in his direction, because the market moves up and down. So maybe right now the market is going down, then it will go up back. For example, if you look at this is trade, this particular trade, it took this trade, and this particular trade has done 149%. This last trade here, 149%, and that was yesterday, right? It took the trade yesterday, 149%. I mean, $126 he has made with 50% profit so far. So the point is, today's trade he has taken them already. Maybe by the end of today, because it's a 24 hours trade, by the end of today you are going to be in massive profit, right? So here you can get the signal of what trade this guy is taking, what he's looking at. For him now, Matic, Ethereum is in longing position. Then if you're a trader, you have a bit of knowledge of technical analysis, you can go on to look at your chart, you know, check the support area, the resistance area, and enter the trade, right? If you go back, you can see many traders that are profitable, that are also taking trades like this. Just check the intraday traders. Like this particular person has taken 62 trade and he has 100% win ratio. You can click on it, Grigory. Let's check what's going on with him. Now if you come to current open position, currently he's not taking any trade, so you can chill, right? Make sure the people you are going for are people that have high win ratio. This method, you will end up making crazy amount of money trading, because you are following profitable traders and you're also using common sense. Don't use the kind of leverage they use. If they are using 25 leverage, please reduce your own to like 5 leverage or 10 leverage, right? Because the lot size, the amount they are using to open their position is not the same amount you are using to open your position. But this method works 100% of the time. Sometimes I just come here to check the direction some people are trading, or to check a coin that they are targeting. Then I go on to do my analysis and I enter the trade, and all the time it ends up being profitable for me, right? And make sure you check the link in my description to create your Bybit account. And this is because Bybit is the only exchange platform for now, I think, you know, they are helping traders to actually make profit, unlike Binance that have some kind of tweaks that make you lose money at the end of the day. But so far I just started using Bybit and I really love it here. This is where I'm going to end this video. I know you like videos like this. If you're watching my channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, you turn my bell post notification on, you leave a comment, you ask me any question whatsoever of what you think, or any question on your mind concerning this method. So guys, bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out.